Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm here with my small sister and my daughter. So we are going to do a question and answer while they are holding their nose. So stay tuned for more. So the loser has to do a dare. Let's start. Chop chop. So we start. The most followed person on Instagram.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Okay. Which year did Kenya got independence?
1963.
First president of Kenya?
Jomo Kenyatta.
Which is the largest desert in the world?
Pass. Desert. Si Kalahari. Safari.
Okay, it's Sahara. The smallest planet?
Pluto.
Smallest?
Neptune. Venus.
Mercury.
Oh, Mercury.
The animal is known as the sheep of the desert. Which animal?
Camel.
The largest city in the United States.
United States.
California. No. What?
Los Angeles.
No.
Las Vegas.
No.
New York.
Yes, New York.
Oh, yeah.
So, nani ako na mo?
Hatujakant.
No. Ni Michelle.
Hatujakant.
Haya. The Mount Kilimanjaro is found in which country?
Tanzania.
Ako mbele yako. Sawa. Sawa. Michelle, teremsha mkono hivi kidogo sikuoni. Huyu ameenda mbali. Which country produced the most coffee in the world?
In the world?
Yeah.
Coffee. Kenya. Coffee.
No.
Coffee.
Coffee.
Yeah.
No, Brazil.
Brazil.
Yes. I am. The smallest country in the world by land area.
Land. Seychelles.
No.
Djibouti.
Ujui? Vatican. Vatican City. What is the largest organ in the human body?
Skin. Brain. Skin.
It's skin.
Skin. The largest
Yes,
organ.
skin.
Skin pia ni organ. Yeah.
Which is the deepest ocean in the world?
Ocean.
Eh.
Pacific.
Pacific.
Eh.
Capital city of France?
France.
Huh?
Italy.
Wrong.
Paris.
Paris.
At Italy.
Yeah. Capital city. The largest river in the world?
The largest. River Tada.
Pass. 0-0 nyinyi wote. Aya. Gas do human inhale?
Oxygen.
Mkombio. So 1-1. Aya. Which planet is known as red planet?
Paris.
Huh?
Venus.
Ashley.
Gani Mars.
Aya. In what year did World War II end?
1904.
Kwa nini? Kwa nini? Niko serious.
19?
World War II.
1924.
Wrong, nyinyi wote.
Ni?
1945.
Okay.
Chemical symbol of gold.
AU.
What is the name of the closest star to the earth?
Proxima Proxima.
Not sun,
Star.
star. Not sun,
To the earth.
to the earth.
Proxima Centauri.
According to normal law. No.
Yes.
Is sun.
Sun.
No.
Like iko closest.
Shaachilia.
Nilikuwa nataka kuambia.
Shaachilia. So you have to drink. Mwenye anamdeni Michelle. Aya.
You have to drink this one.
Get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready, get
I dare you. Non-stop. Gani kamekuvia hapo?
Shaanza hizi acha. Haya, namaliza eti.
Aye. We continue. To continue. Tumalizie questions. Haya. Tumshika mapana anataka kunywa soda. Okay, we finish. Two parts of the Bible. What is the two part of the Bible called? The two parts.
Like,
The two parts of the Bible. No.
the two parts. New Testament and Old Testament.
Yes, Ashley. David Job before he became king.
Repeat.
Job before
David's job.
before he became the kwa
In
kizungu in English is
A shepherd.
sawa. Haya. National animal of China.
Cow.
Fine.
No.
Kauni ya India.
Ani, panda.
Yes, giant panda. Aya, the last question.
Rahisi.
The largest mammal in the world.
The
That is my ball.
Yes.
Whale. A whale.
Which kind of way?
Which one?
A dolphin.
No.
A white whale.
No.
Hebu turebishe hivi mkono.
It's a blue.
Blue.
Mbona nimesema
Blue.
whales?
No, umesema
Hujaspecify.
ni sawa. 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 Aya. So that's it for today. Make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe.